everyone, it's Ann from Anneliese's Creations, Anneliese's Creates, or Anneliese's Mixed Media Everything, my Facebook group. I'm starting a new series and it's called Gratitude Cards for the month of November. You know, we're coming into Thanksgiving here in the United States, and you know, what are you thankful for? What are you grateful for? So I'm starting these gratitude cards on playing cards, just little playing cards, and this is a great way of getting rid of your scraps. So I'm going to fast forward as I glue my pieces on, and then I'll go to the next step. All right? So if you don't have playing cards, you could use a journal or index cards, which are really affordable. Go to your local office supply store and get some index cards, and you could do your gratitude cards on those instead of in, you know, you know, doing playing cards. Sorry, I haven't been sleeping well lately, so the words aren't coming as easily. I noticed when I don't sleep well, the brain doesn't function as well, and fibromyalgia plays a big part of it as well. So excuse the lack of words being able to come out. So anyways, I'm going to take some gesso, just a little bit of gesso. I don't want to have too much coming out. Sometimes too much comes out, and I don't want that to happen. Okay, let's see here. I don't want to cover the one because it's the first day of November. And I like leaving the ace symbol out so that you can see, you know, you can know that it's a playing card that I'm using. I'm going to wipe off a little bit more of the gesso a little bit. There we go. I like that better. Then I'm going to take a stencil, and I'm going to use a stencil. And this is just really quick and easy. This isn't something that needs to be spend a whole lot of time on. And, you know, when you're all done with all of your cards, you could use them as inserts in your art journals, or you know, you could put it together as a little booklet, little journal page, you know, a little journal. You know, there's all kinds of things you can do with your gratitude cards. Or you could keep them out, and every day, you know, when you're feeling down or, you know, disillusioned, I can't even say the word. Yeah, so if you're feeling down and you want, you know, look at the cards and be grateful for what you have, right? And I like going around the card with acrylic paint. Kind of gives a little bit of depth to the card. And I don't want to cover up the whole ace, so I'm going to take a baby wipe and wipe off some of the excess of that card, so it looks like that. And oh, hang on, go back around it a little bit more here. Alrighty, so I have this picture of my dog Maya, and I am grateful for my dog Maya because she is kind of like my therapy dog in a way. When I'm in a lot of pain or I'm having a high anxiety, when my anxiety is high, running high, she knows, and she will come from wherever she's at. She senses my, I don't know whether it's my body temperature or pulse or whatever, she senses it. And she will paw me as if to say, Mom, it's time to sit down, relax, and take it easy, breathe, kind of thing. She's amazing. So I've cut this little photo that I have, and I'm going to glue it down right about here, and then I'll show you my next step. Let's see, where's the glue? Here it is. So this is Anneliese's tacky glue that I'm using. And I'm going to go ahead and just make sure it adheres well. And then I will be back in a second because I'm going to get my label maker, and I'm going to create a, what I'm grateful for. All right. Now, if you don't have a label maker, you could use, you could write it out, in your own writing, or you could cut out words from a magazine or newspaper or whatever to create your grateful phrase or whatever, or you could go on your computer and print it out and then glue it on. So there's different ways of doing it. So now I need to change the font size. And let's see, might have to change it a little bit again because it's a little bit too big. Alright, and I think it's okay. So I'm going to print it out, and that is the right perfect size font for this card. And I may have to cut it a little bit down to fit the whole phrase in. Alright, so there you have it. I am grateful for my dog Maya. And that's as simple as that. And then you can, set it aside and, either keep it out every day, till you do your next card. And I'm going to try to do these every single day, and if I don't, I will play catch up. So, I hope that you enjoyed my little series and that you'll go check out my Facebook group, Anneliese's Mixed Media Everything. And I will post a link down in the bottom in the description box below. And thanks again for watching, and have a wonderful day. And talk to you later. Bye. Toodles.